Hi, it's Shawn again with PM Hobbycraft. Talked to you about a couple weeks ago about the TC7.1 by Team Associated. So I got it all built, all assembled here, and thought I'd just go through the build with you really quick. Let you know a little bit of what I liked about it, different upgrades I did to it just to for what I'm running on at our local car track. You know, it actually went together really nice. One thing I did notice, the first thing I noticed when I went, everything went smoothly, but there's definitely a lot of less slop in it than past generation cars. Like my TC6.2 had lots of play in the front end. There's a lot less play on the TC7.1. Which is really good. Everything's going to be a lot more precise handling to it. Another thing too that really nice, it actually came with the double jointed drive shafts. I don't know if you could quite see here, but they come with the double jointed drive shaft stock in the box. So really nice. It's just one upgrade that you don't have to do that a lot of people did. The other thing that they did is the outdrives on the spool diffs are metal. So try to get in here so you could hopefully see it. The spools are metal on it where the older versions were plastic. So, you know, it's an upgrade a lot of people did right out of the box. So it's really nice to see all these options people were doing. They just included them in the box. Also with it, you also can see their new low profile shocks to them. So they're really short shocks. So there's, you know, they might be, you know, 30 centimeters long, if that. So they're, you know, they're really short shock. Really curious how they handle on the track. I know most companies are going to those shocks right now, so, you know, it's just going to keep on par. You know, a couple other things that I did that did not come with it. One thing I did do is I added the aluminum chassis to it. It's really good on high traction surfaces. So where I run it, it's on black carpet, CRC black carpet. So it has very, very high traction to it. So you really want to have the aluminum chassis so you can actually, you know, it helps lower the roll center to it so you can, you know, have more steering, more mechanical grip out of the car. The other thing I did add is I did add to this car from Reflex Racing a hardened front bumper and a graphite bumper brace to it. It's something aftermarket that I added. Another thing I did run on this is I always run the X-ray servo saver on it, right here. You know, a lot of people run the just a straight solid aluminum arm. I'm not the best driver out there, so I'm going to hit things once in a while. So having that servo saver, really, I know it's going to save the gears on the servo. Other than that, the electronics I used. So I decided to go right with Reedy electronics this time. I've always ran, like, this is the new 510R speed control by Reedy. Ran the 410R, it was a really good speed control, really liked it. Decided to stay with it, go with the newest generation. For the motor, I'm running a Reedy 17.5 Sonic Mach 3. You know, the Reedys are a really good motor, especially in the stock classes. I've really liked them in the past. They seem to be capable to keep you up with all the other fast motors out there. Fan, of course, with 75, always got to make sure it's cool, so I'm using the R1 fan. You know, it just gives a lot of thrust. You know, it probably keeps it down probably, you know, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So if not more, by just running that fan. So it's something, you know, really worth it, you know, especially with the stock class racing, you want to run a big fan on it. The other thing I'm going to try this time is Reedy came out with their own high voltage, low profile servos. This one is the high speed version of it. It's, you know, so speed wise it's, I believe, 0.07 seconds. So it's going to be a really fast servo, great for indoor racing, great for carpet racing. I've not tried it yet on the track, but I got a feeling it's going to hold up fine. The other thing that I'm going to be running on the car is I got the Reedy Zappers 5600s. They're 100C LiPo. They're the latest high voltage cells by Reedy. I really like the, you know, I've had good luck with the Reedy packs in the past. The good thing with the high voltage cells is, especially in stock racing, is you're going to have, you know, higher voltage throughout the run, so you're going to have more speed, especially when you get close to the end of the run with them. They all do come with 5mm bullets nowadays, which is pretty normal, so you got lots of lots of current, you know, to go through it, so you don't have to worry about the connectors overheating on them. Size-wise, so one thing I did choose is I did choose the 5600 versions of it. Now I know there's ones that are, I believe, 7600 or 7200. There are other ones out there, you know, they'll be a little bit better for stock racing, just because they're going to have higher volts throughout the run. I decided just to go with the 5600 just because I wanted to keep the balance proper. That kind of gives you a you know, quick rundown of everything. Like I said, the kit went together really well. Great build, highly recommended to anyone. You know, especially, you know, anyone out there that's looking for, you know, something that's not going to break the bank, because this is one of the touring cars that are, you know, a little on the cheaper side compared to the other ones, but, you know, great bang for the buck. You know, if you have any questions or anything, just post it on our YouTube channel there. Make sure you follow us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and hope you enjoyed this video.